This video will detail the installation of the Fishbone Offroad 52-inch LED light bar bracket for the 2007 to 2017 JK Wrangler. Step 1. Remove the upper 5 factory bolts on your windshield mount bracket using a T40 Torx wrench. Step 2. Install your light bracket. Ensure the light bracket has the foam backing pre-installed. Place the bracket against the vehicle and loosely secure using your factory hardware. Keeping the bracket loose will make it easier to install your light bar. Repeat these steps on the opposite side of the Jeep. Now you're ready to install your light bar. Follow your light bar manufacturer's instructions on how to mount the light. Tighten your factory hardware on both sides. That's it, you're done, and ready to enjoy your Fishbone Offroad 52-inch LED light bar bracket.
Fishbone Offroad.